Imagine this. A colorful, magical world, cute characters running around, and an exciting story unfolding. Now, what if I told you you could create this entire 3D animated kids story without drawing, animating, or spending a single dollar? Stay till the end because this is a game changer, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. The first step in creating our 3D animated kids story is generating the script, and for this, I'm using ChatGPT. Simply paste the story idea you see on the screen, tweak it as needed, and hit generate. Within seconds, you'll have a catchy AI-generated story prompt ready to bring to life. Now, if you're directly using a text-to-video tool, these prompts will work as they are. But if you plan to generate images first and animate them later, make a small tweak. Just change video to image in the prompt before generating. This way, you'll get scene-wise images that can be animated smoothly. Let's move to the next step. Now, it's time to bring our story to life with stunning AI-generated images. But instead of juggling between multiple tools, I'm going to use an all-in-one AI website that does everything. It generates images, animates them, and even creates voiceovers all in one place. Sounds cool, right? Well, this underrated gem is going to make our job super easy. Let's check out what this website is. The name of this underrated AI powerhouse is Flexclip. Once you log in, you'll land on this clean and simple UI. Now, let's generate the images for our kid's story. First, head over to the AI image generator tool and you'll see this page. Then, paste the first prompt. This one is for the scenery. Now, select the image quality. You have 3 options: Fast, Pro, and Ultra. Keep in mind that Ultra requires a subscription, but don't worry. If you're planning to upgrade, use my code FLEXCLIP10 and the link in the description to get flat discounts on all plans. Next, choose the model and under the style option, if you're creating a kid's story, make sure to select the 3D animation style for that perfect cartoon look. Finally, set the aspect ratio, choose the number of images you need, and hit generate. Let's see the magic happen. Wow, the results are insanely realistic and mind-blowing. Now, let's talk about the next crucial step, character consistency. To make sure your characters look the same across all scenes, here's what you need to do. First, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate separate character prompts for each character in your story, whether it's the little girl, grandpa, or any other character. This step is super important. Now, when generating images, select the corresponding character prompt first. For example, if you're creating an image with the grandpa, paste his specific character prompt in the prompt box first. Then, add the scene prompt we generated earlier right after the character prompt. By following this method, every image will have a consistent look for each character, keeping your story visually smooth and professional. Great. Now that we have all the images generated, it's time to bring our story to life with voiceovers. For this, we'll use Flexclip's AI voiceover tool, which makes it super easy to generate professional-sounding narration. Before generating the voiceover, let's create a proper voiceover script for each scene. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to convert your story into a voiceover script, scene by scene. Step 2. Paste the story and prompt ChatGPT to format it for voiceover, making it more engaging with expressions, pauses, and storytelling elements. Step 3. Head over to the AI text-to-speech tool in Flexclip. Now choose a voice that matches the tone of the story, whether it's a warm, friendly grandpa or an energetic little girl. Then, paste the story script we generated earlier. Then, adjust the speed and pitch to make it sound natural. Now, once you're happy with the voiceover, click Generate and download the audio file.
Inside their cozy cabin, the smell of fresh milk fills the air. The old man stirs a large pot, teaching the girl how to make cheese.
Now we have everything, images and voiceover. Next, let's animate the images and turn them into a stunning 3D animated kids story. Step 1. Head over to the Image to Video feature on the Flexclip homepage and click on it. Step 2. You'll see the animation UI. First, upload the image we generated earlier for the scene. Step 3. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for that respective scene. Paste it into the prompt box. Step 4. Choose the animation mode, standard or professional. For the best quality, select professional. Step 5. Set the duration of the animation, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Once everything is set, hit generate and let the AI work its magic. When using Flexclip, it typically takes around 5 to 10 minutes to animate the image. But if you're in a rush and need a super fast generation, there's an alternative. Pixverse. With Pixverse, you can follow the exact same steps, and within just about 3 seconds, you'll have your output ready to go. Pretty impressive, right? If you need something fast, Pixverse is your go-to, but if you want something that looks a bit more polished and realistic, I'd recommend sticking with Flexclip. But hey, that's just my opinion. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you prefer the super fast results from Pixverse, or do you think the more realistic animations from Flexclip are worth the wait? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited to hear from you. Alright, now that you've seen both Flexclip and Pixverse in action, the next step is to take all the footage and merge it with the correct voiceover. You can use any video editing software of your choice. Once you've got all your clips lined up and synced with the voiceover, you'll have the perfect video ready to go. And that's how I created the video you've been watching, from choosing the right tool to animating the image to merging everything together into a cohesive and engaging story.
A small wooden cabin stands in the heart of the Alpine mountains, surrounded by green fields and grazing sheep. A little girl runs barefoot through the meadows, laughing as baby goats hop beside her. This is her world. Her grandfather sits outside, carefully milking a goat. His hands are strong, steady, and kind. Inside the cozy cabin, the girl stirs a pot of fresh milk. Her grandfather smiles. She is learning his craft. The girl spreads her arms wide, spinning through golden fields. The wind, the sun, the mountains, she belongs here. At sunset, they share a simple meal on the porch. No riches, no luxuries, just warmth, love, and home. By the fire, her grandfather tells an old tale. Her eyes grow heavy, wrapped in warmth. She drifts to sleep.
And that's how I put everything together using Flexclip, from generating the script with ChatGPT to creating the voiceover, animations, and images, all in one platform. Flexclip really makes it easy to bring your ideas to life, and if you want to give it a try, don't forget to use my code FLEXCLIP10 to get some awesome offers and discounts on your next project. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more, and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.